Hi there, this is Yvonne DeCellis from YDC TV. I wanted to do a quick video showing you a little bit more about this water, this fountain park from the Cambridgeside Galleria. I'm sorry about the camera movement, but down that way, over there where that little building is underneath the tunnel, that's the back end of the Museum of Science, and back beyond that is Boston. But if I turn the camera around, and I'm just going to show you the birds, the ducks that are in the pond here. I think they bring these over. But back this way, now I'm walking towards Cambridge. So we're going to the Cambridgeside Galleria Mall, which I'm not going in, don't panic. I'm also probably not still going to be filming at that point. I'm just here to let you know that I plan on putting a new video up either today or tomorrow showing you guys how to take care of motion sickness using energy medicine, and also how to handle dizziness using acupressure points. So again, I just wanted to show you a scenic video clip really quickly. So there we go one more time. I believe this waterway empties out into the Charles. Not 100% positive though, but again, just wanted to show you the scenic video. I will be back either tonight or tomorrow, hopefully, with the new videos. And I do hope they help you. As always, if these videos help or anything, just leave me a comment or something. And also, once again, namaste. Thank you so much for your time. Peace and light, and I will see you again soon. Cheers.